Yon World, what's the deal? It's your boy Original back with another one for y'all. Check this out. Today on my channel, we going over how many Spotify streams you need to make $10,000 per month. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Now, as y'all can see, right now we on my Spotify page, and right now on Spotify, I'm generating 37,000 monthly listeners on Spotify. And if we dive a little deeper, right, and go into my Spotify for artists, you will see over the last 7 days, I generated over 89,000 streams, right? We can round that up to 90,000 streams I made on Spotify. And when we want to figure out how much money I made on Spotify, we have to times the amount of streams I generated times the royalty rate on Spotify. Now, Spotify royalty rate fluctuates every month. It depends on a lot of factors. It depends on what country your stream came from. It depends on whether the stream was a free tier stream or a premium tier stream. Things like that determine the royalty rate on Spotify. But based on my experience, based on, me calculating through payouts I received through Spotify, right, the minimum Spotify will ever pay out per stream is 0.003. So whenever I do my math on Spotify, this is the number I always use. If you go to a website like Streaming Royalty Calculator, you will see that Spotify, right, they estimate your earning for every 1,000 streams is $4 per 1,000 streams, right? And this is true on certain streams, right? If it's premium streams, you will get $4 per 1,000 streams. But sometimes when you promoting on Spotify, you receive a mix between free and premium. So I just like to set a realistic expectation at this royalty rate of 0.003. So when we go over how much money I made this past week at this royalty rate, we can just times 0.003 times 90,000, right? Just to round it up, equals $270, right? $270 I made this week on Spotify, right? At that royalty rate of 0.003, the minimum basic royalty rate. And if we look at another website where they're calculating the streaming rate to be a little bit higher, we can see for 90,000 streams on Spotify, that'd be $360. So for 90,000 streams, it's roughly between $270 and $360, right? But that's not what y'all came here for. Y'all didn't come here to calculate my earnings in a week. Y'all want to know how many streams on Spotify does it take to make $10,000 per month, right? And I'm gonna give you the straight up answer. The straight up answer on how many streams it takes to generate $10,000 per month on Spotify is 3.4 million streams, right? 3.4 million streams. Now, some artists do this in a day, a week, a month, but in order to make $10,000, you need 3.4 million streams on Spotify. Now, I made other videos about the Spotify method, teaching y'all how to make money on Spotify. Just to let y'all know, Spotify is a $21 billion company. The music industry set to gross over $50 billion, just in the next 5 years. So why not be a part of this growth? Why not be a part of this industry and learn how to make some money? If y'all need help with learning about Spotify, I got other videos, but I also charge $250 just for a full consulting session over the phone with your boy Yon World. But yeah, I'll teach y'all everything I know about Spotify, how to generate streams, how to make money on this platform, because this is a great way to make an additional source of income. Now, it's your boy Yon World. If y'all have any questions, make sure y'all leave a comment. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you turn on post notifications. That was my video for the day. I'm out. Peace.